plates, 1038, Camry and Depot.
Go ahead.
Lima 1, Foxtrot 3, Romeo, L1, F3, Romeo. Get your license registration.
Private.
This your vehicle? Yeah. You know why I stopped you? You don't have to do any inspection.
Oh yeah, I just bought it.
You just bought the vehicle?
Yeah. I'm taking it to the body shop too.
Can you tell me why you're not wearing your seatbelt?
I just forgot.
You don't have a front tag on.
Yeah, I didn't put it. I need to get the bolts.
You can be stopped for that and no inspection.
Okay, I'm from Florida, so I know this is a 2-plate state. Yeah, I need to get the bolts.
Alright, just give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back.
Golf 724.
We'll just give you a warning on the inspection, front tab, and windshield summons for not wearing your seatbelt.
Okay.
I was tried in court May 17, 2023, 8:30 a.m. in Montgomery County Courthouse.
Okay, wait, how does this work? I'm sorry.
It's a prepayable offense.
Yeah.
Your court date's May 17, 2023, 8:30 a.m. Right here's the address.
Okay.
It's a prepayable offense. If you wish to prepay, you may. If you have any questions about prepayment, call that number right there.
Okay.
You just sign that.
And that's for the seatbelt.
Yes.
You know how much it is to do that?
It should be just $25 fine on seatbelts. Okay.
Let's see if it's
Let me get this summons for you. Are you going here?
Yeah, I was going to
There's your summons. There's your license registration. Make sure I get it for you.
Thank you, sir.
Drive safely.